The Infinix Note 12 G88 is a smartphone that stands out in the mid-range market. Here are some of its notable features. 1. Display. It typically has a large 6.7-inch AMOLED display with full HD+ resolution, offering vibrant colors and sharp visuals. 2. Processor. Powered by the MediaTek Helio G88 chipset, which is designed to provide good performance for everyday tasks and gaming. 3. RAM and storage. It generally comes with 4 GB or 6 GB of RAM and 64 GB or 128 GB of internal storage, expandable via a microSD card. 4. Camera system. The phone features a triple camera setup on the back, including a 50-megapixel primary sensor, a 2-megapixel depth sensor, and an AI lens, alongside a 16-megapixel front camera for selfies. 5. Battery. It includes a large 5,000 mAh battery, supporting fast charging to ensure extended usage without frequent recharging. 6. Software. Runs on Android with Infinix's XOS skin, which offers various customization options and features. 7. Design. It has a sleek and modern design, often with a premium finish and a slim profile. These features make the Infinix Note 12 G88 a solid option for users looking for a balance of performance and value in a mid-range smartphone.